人前面在送去推荐听住就是一周吧，去了你到你想啊，到我准备退住，来是到我年3年助理，那虽然历代上辈人没忙给上这人到我这送去学过，你忙nam Red Müller Platz Zurich， 多很少难过，就住吧去，你不的。是别给多个，你那句话别给个是别给路当当就。
这是本来的个中为的，我的上边路不难吧？跟着我这家这中为个，这来给人做给多这刚做的呗，我给咱这个。南个高我家的发过来的，本州的心啊大爷，本州只告诉你去了，你给做的上面家，这些一辈人呐。都被做给为咱们要没给多些。这辈拉着，分中人着给自己而给，他是那梦中着为是，那就没被人来也可知。回家喽！回家喽！回家喽！回家喽！回家喽！回家喽！
给个。给真的了，你啊，让手里当年把我那给这个吃多，你俺这干嘛吃难就。诸位，是，俺地接的了，送去柴路当当go。
也给路呀送主，送主这所不。给给路呀，送去这所不，这所不，这周周围送去拉路嘞，拉路嘞，给大所大的送的，所大的送的，本中卡瓦金多几米地，我这多几米处。这马这几辈，罗日南，多着你日，你这人们这，给路要送去这所不，这所不，这就周围送去拉路嘞，拉路嘞，刹那边的地心。抗州苏，你叫我要做老真的，世界革命我总搞得上。 sa ngā tsō kē kē lū yā chī mi lē chī mi lē
Tu chana di je la mi mang ju zu gi chi de gin ji kanam de wala ki ani song shen nang gu
Hello. Toma de la ane tari ngonzo sumju kela tukju redu di kala nyamshu nanye ke ane mirab gyamba ta zöbe ane shunge namba ta na she ke chisu namba ta na she ke kong tunjo ka ne chesang la an ta na she mirab gyamba ta shunge changma la ane tari de la nyamshu namba de la ane ngonzo Swiss dan Liechtenstein peri mima ke tumang 잡시네 닝 탁반에 투체나스 아니 마오발라 ngaranjo dende geta 직 제림이 여베 값수 아니 디 ngaranjo 미 강사 찡이지 차고 말에 의미 여도 쪽에 다디 오네 니만 디 아니 니만 디 값수 아니 포장 뻗을라기 되라 아니 간달 간제 ngaranjo게 아이다 암예 뽀뽀 모모 내서 창마 피 되라 야 랑네 당 안저 개미기 재단들 지금이도 먼저 배디 배기 답보 배미스 여러분 제 고제 틀어봐도 템버 쇼스 아니 디야 아니 최제 손제 감복당 최제 묘남성 콩남백이 값주 쇼배 값주 말아줘 우리 상매기 독자 직디기 넘버디 아니 나왔는데 제가 쭉이 니모델라 포장 보달라 되라 되어봐디 예슈 먹어제 넘버 저 캔세레 아니 대임바 손자 따들이 말아줘 당고 배나 차샤버다 지나 산에 가와가서 샤르조 내지네 타변 대소 나라 이나레 아니 사조 가와가서네 아니 배게 찍게 다찍게 라왕기 되라 아니 디체도 캠베 당 가데 이나 상마이 야 타조 견도 아니 다가나시 다리 디나로라 사다발라 마지발라 아니 미망 망부 쇼지 냠쇼 낭도 아니 닝 타바니 두체나 마오발라 아니 녀버도 ngaranzo 아니 숨주 두대서야디 먼저기 제 투에 매겨게 아니 니모제래 아니 대선장 ngaranzo기 보고 셴셴 셴게 대상말라 아니 남샤 견도 아니 ngaranzo 디 니모디 칼레 칸데 이메 안 단다 ngaranzo 차샤바다지나 산에 단다 라왕기 롱발레이나 ngaranzo 직깁 타조 진대요 다 단다 뒤저들 차샤바다지나 자지 종간 라이나레 배기 나로 이나레 빠와이나 아마 통해요 만에 보고 있나 파마 통해요 말에 냥되어다 정말 오늘 참장이나 소소이나 찍게 초발래야 다 딘데도 로안 넘버 저디 마란조 gem바 저기 넘버 저 캔게 버레데 이네 마란조기 디 탑제디 게투고 여베 손자 만저기 디 단다 낭 투고 여데 마오발라 마란조기 셴게 되소라 마란조 남샤 균두 쟁균 난게 맞지바다지나 마오베 안 로정아 니슈 숨주 챤라 딩가나 저기 메투 투기레 마레세디 태좀 지간라 차그레 안데 임바 손자 안다리 다갈 지규장베 아니 미만 창말라 아니 나랑 저 필리핀다 찍 안다나시 게리 핀다 망부지델 페도 아니 게리 핀다 저 코란조이나 찍바 찍냐레 자나 단다 공제 땅 와라 라와 메 손산데 게 자고다 만조로 족족게 족족레 족게 자레 다 공제 게 자야 니 당고 니 지니와를 쉬게 좀 단다 견저 치타요 마르다스 남저 코란조 게 자야디 자나 공제 땅기 숑게 낭당딜라 지금 매버 손자 코란조기 낭로 게 자기도 그 하나조 다 베데 로 다마소 tukju rejo saji an dende ta meeting kyongo yore ane konjo changmala ane tari dina nyamshu nayadi koranzo chedo yin da na shege koranzo pemi number ge ane ngando da des chedo ngando dungsem nyamge yin sen koranzo sunggido ane ngando puri changme ge chapshune phone number la tuji chena ane koranzo ge ane ngando da des chedo ngando peba changma de 대신 yin sen shue yin ane geri changmala tuji na shuye da dela yang ji injinal test glo ko zonza ji glo choche Honorable chief guests, brothers and sisters, today we gather here in the remembrance in hope, united by the spirit that has endured through the centuries. a spirit deeply rooted in the golden eras of our ancestors under the King Songtsen Gampo. In the 7th century, Tibet stood as a mighty empire, bound together by unity, culture, and sovereignty. That same spirit rose again on 10 March 1959, when countless Tibetans stood as one before the Potala Palace in Lhasa, raising their voices in resolute cry, "Long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama! Tibet belongs to Tibetan." That day was just not a protest. It was declaration of our right to self-determination and testament to our deep-rooted commitment to our culture's faith freedoms. Monks, nuns, lay people, men, women, children, every Tibetan people stood shoulder to shoulder, defying oppressions with unwavering determinations. Their brave stance marked the beginning of our struggles against the injustice. A struggle that has echoed through the valleys of Lhasa, along the river, and crossed the rugged terrains of our homeland. From the eldest to the youngest, families join hand in heart, sending a message to the world: we will never surrender our identity, our heritage, and our country. Yet, we remember our courage. We must also acknowledge the immense sorrow that followed. Before 1959, our homeland was endowed with the prayer flags, and the national flags flew proudly across the Tibet. Monasteries flourished with centers of learning arts, spiritualities, but after the occupations, our beloved land was shattered. Tibet flag was replaced, and countless monasteries were destroyed, and our sacred treasures were looted, and millions of Tibetan people suffer under the brutal oppressions. Their lives forever changed by cruelties and injustice. On March 17, 1959, faced overwhelming the dangers, His Holiness the Dalai Lama was forced to exile with the help of Tibetan people. Thousands follow him, leaving behind the homes but carrying them unbreakable spirits. Even in exile, His Holiness the Dalai Lama remained the guiding light of our people and inspiring us through the darkest time. Today we stand here to honor the enduring spirits of Tibetan resistance. Let us remember our voice that rose in the unity before the Potala Palace. Voice that still echo around the world, reminding us that Tibet is always will be the homeland of Tibetan people. No force can erase our histories, our faith, and our unwavering will to reclaim our rights. To all Tibetans, I say, I don't want to despair. Do not lose hope. The path may be long, but we will never abandon our struggles through our hard works, our unity, and our unwavering determinations. We will challenge the oppressions we have faced, guided by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, Panchen Lama, and great lamas who have foretold us our future. We will overcome. We Tibetans are bounded with same bloods, and we same heritage and same destiny. We cannot and will be returned away from our struggle. We will stand strong with unshakable resolve until the day our motherland is free once more. Let us continue forward the courage. Let us preserve our cultures, our identity, our spirits. Let us prove to the world that Tibet lives on, not just in our memories, but in our hearts, in our actions, and in our unwavering pursuits of justice. May peace prevail on earth. Tibet rise again. Tibet belongs to Tibetan, and Tibet will never die as long as the spirit of Tibet is alive. Long live! Long live! Peki Takbo! Peki Takbo! Jamal Pene! Jamal Pene! Jamal Pene! Peki Takbo! 너 세안에 정말 되잖아.
아, 다링. 나랑 저디 좀에디 밀로 추추 라주 공라. 밀로 추추 라주 공라 배낭도 배미치 겸하기. 저죄라 마세베. 타세베 모글기. 리그 시계체 벨그 중요바 마세. 배낭도 겸하기 작네. 배미 치자 망고지. 속죄 소리여버래. 다링 나라서 별이 미망기 이 리그디 때 여바데라 페페 리고 저걸 건기 근데 남바다 시스 남바 아니 슝데 많이 배쳐가기 그도 가기 아 고삼 남바 참말라 투체랑 쉐이 다린 소딩이 시다 술 먹어 이 공라야 이 공라야 다랑 나랑 저기 범위 그리 미망기 고삽 까남 배울라기 예 기타 게 시바지 소소 다 나랑 저기 소 다른 가사기 송디 시 그리 요래 아니 디나 그리게 잘로 나 먹어야지 가이라나 주주다 따뜻이라 아니 디나라 조디 거리 송도 쉬나 다 배낭라 나랑 저기 동좀 냥제 타게라 배낭기 배면서라 최대라 매바다 아니 배낭라 게이당 나랑 저기 코류 상마 야마기 도시 당겨봐 이 상마 켜여봐다 아니 빌로 달로 가서 진호 공사 겸게 쳐보초 공장 고줄라 패배 달로기 로디 참제기 로라니 송제 쉬게여봐 송자 이나라야 또디 거리송들라나 여러 부치기 투기 담자 시간라 소여바다 또 투기 담자 시간라 또디 아란지 가사이 송디 나기로 송주 되나라 직 현재 시간에 송디 나기로게 송주 되는 직나라 소여레 이바디 망서 되진지 아니 숨바디 네베 시베 생데 가서 이나라 계시게 쳔바시 그여바다 안 탈레들라 가리 지켜들라나 아란지 추기 날렌다기 최근에 성적 난 거에 돼. 디톨라야 레그 망부지 빼요 바당. 디톨라야 직송샤. 아니 또 내가 저기 여러분이 까고 시송기 루고에다. 말한죠. 최고 좀 도사 찍디다. 냠도게 톤에 레그 빼야다. 상마 시제냠도 여기 따를 된다 톨라. 차례 난 거에 돼. 개천부 직송샤. 디톨라야 디나라 음에 남게 골라야 송도. 디 송장 다리 간저기 잘람 디그 나랑 저기 범위 저다와 나라 여기 남바 저기 괜찮게 내단데 참에 계세래 파이라 나라 저기 loktu 참말라 계획 손적 제마도기 내당 된자 납자 주고에 당 겸하기 비참마 미그 조디 나랑 저기 미리디 참에 다야랑 미그지 시메바 송자 나랑 저기 라와 롱발에 여기 남바 저기 이 참마 숨겨 난 거에다 믹세기 나라도 치게가 나래 여기 재미 나봐 나라도 상주 납자 요래 이 참마라 loktu 강 망망치 냠신난게 요래라 탄도이나야 못네 나로 제일안에 베베 쉐직다 한 다리 가도 되라 kana khashi chi phete yore kemi di ngara segi di khar na ngara segi legu na la keri dedi pa ge gyuje ya tangmai gong se da kemi khaji ne phe de la nyamshin nang ge yeba tang de thole ya su ti samju le si ro di song song ngara segi phuri me mang gi gyuje ngara segi gong gi tanda ngara keri dedi pa sang gi la gi Quran segi ne ngara segi legu nyambu che da de thole ya Quran segi phe yore Dinguela ngaju chini wala phe yore adi ma se tanda Holland the Netherlands la keri ta kega kha sum shis ne phe la 미장 국주 잠지 코란도 쪽파 상마 찍어체 파일라 냠시 난게 요래 또 달린 난저기 미규 또디 당한저기 겨울은 부채기 잠재기 로송기 요송자 참에 장무샘기 로딜라 알아저기 팀봉마에 베르쇼 상만 야산나로 나올라는 비비슈에이 당하단다 인게 전에 디스치 시초지 가일란데 개미 알아저 개미 가지 싶대로 I, on behalf of Tibet Bureau Geneva, sincerely thanks the Chinese who have come here together and commemorate our National Uprising Day. So I sincerely thank you for coming here and standing with us and continuing your support for the Tibetan cause and for your cultural rights also. So I sincerely thank, and they have displayed the pictures of the who have sacrificed their life for the cultural rights, and I sincerely thank you and hopefully to continue your support for the solidarity for the Tibet. Thank you.
sakpa da circular mangbo phe de chamala tringi social injitol appearing. Fellow Tibetans, supporters, and everybody in attendance. Today we remember the thousands of Tibetans who have bravely stood up against the Chinese invaders on March 10, 1959. We remember the protesters that were killed by the thousands by the Chinese military. We remember the men, women, children that were camping in front of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's residence when their lives were ended by 800 shells that the Chinese troops bombed into the walls of Norbolinga. We remember 1.2 million of our brothers and sisters whose blood remains on China's hands. We remember the 160 Tibetans who have self-immolated since 2009, setting their bodies on fire in a desperate attempt to shine a light on what is happening inside Tibet. Like 23-year-old Tenzila, who left her last words with her father. Father, being a Tibetan is so difficult. We can't even say our prayer to His Holiness portrait. We have no freedom at all. A few weeks ago, we welcomed Namki in Zurich, another brave activist. Tibetans like Namki who publicly raised a photo of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama and called for freedom in Tibet are imprisoned and tortured for many years, simply for speaking their mind. Tibetans like Tashi Wongju, who advocated for the Tibetan language to be taught at schools, are spending years in prison, simply for wanting Tibetan children to learn their own language. Tibetan children as young as 4 years are systematically separated from their families and are forced into Chinese colonial boarding schools where their Tibetan identity is erased. Tibetan monks and nuns are imprisoned for practicing their religion. Since 1959, China silences any voices that speak up and reach out to tell the world of the atrocities that take place in Tibet. Even in exile, China attempts to silence, intimidate, and stop Tibetan resistance. However, Tibetan identity, willpower, and the freedom struggle remain strong in all of us. Our heroes are late Bodin Gyatso, who was imprisoned for 3 decades and suffered unimaginable torture, breaking his body but never his spirit, and still feeling compassion towards his tormentors. Our heroes are Pinsa Nidra and the 14 singing nuns of Drapchi prison, who, although incarcerated, still protested, singing songs containing the harrowing reality our brothers and sisters still face and endure in Tibet until this day. May no others suffer like this. We call upon the international community to stand with us, to support our peaceful struggle, stand for human rights, stand for non-violence, stand for Tibet. And as the Tibetan saying goes, there will come a time when the sun emerges from behind the clouds. Hey, Gyalo! Hey, Gyalo! Hey, Gyalo! Hey, Gyalo! Hey, Gyalo!
diesem Anlass im Namen der GSTF sprechen darf. Heute begehen wir den 66. Jahrestag des tibetischen Aufstandstages. Am 10. März 1959 protestierten Tausende von Tibetern in Lhasa gegen die Anwesenheit der chinesischen Streitkräfte. In den Straßen von Lhasa hallten die Stimmen derer wider, die seine Heiligkeit den Dalai Lama vor der Bedrohung durch das chinesische Regime schützen wollten. Doch das kommunistische China ging mit brutaler Gewalt gegen die friedliebenden Bürger Tibets vor. Heute, vor 66 Jahren, suchte seine Heiligkeit der Dalai Lama Zuflucht in Indien und floh vor einem Regime, das gegen alle Vereinbarungen verstieß und über 1 Million Tibeter in den Tod riss. Heute, im Jahr 2025, ist Tibet immer noch eine der am meisten unterdrückten und isolierten Regionen der Welt. Jedes Jahr verschlechtert sich die Lage, da die chinesische Regierung immer härtere Maßnahmen ergreift, die darauf abzielen, die Identität, die Einheit und den Geist des tibetischen Volkes zu zerstören und unsere Existenz aus der Welt zu tilgen. Diejenigen, die sich als Tibeter identifizieren, werden aufgrund ihrer Identität zunehmend misshandelt. Freedom House stuft Tibet als die am wenigsten freie Region der ganzen Welt ein, vergleichbar mit Syrien und sogar noch eingeschränkter als Nordkorea. Die chinesischen Behörden haben weitreichende Überwachungssysteme eingeführt, die nahezu jede Facette des Lebens der tibetischen Bevölkerung unter die Lupe nehmen. Die Regierung überwacht regelmäßig Telefongespräche, SMS, E-Mails, Sofortnachrichten, soziale Medien und andere digitale Kommunikation. Sie setzen fortschrittliche Technologien ein, wie Gesichtserkennung, Gangerkennung, Videoüberwachung und künstliche Intelligenz, um ethnische Minderheiten zu identifizieren und der Polizei zu ermöglichen, Personen in Menschenmengen schnell zu erkennen. Unabhängig davon, wie brutal und gerissen das kommunistische China sein mag, wird unser Widerstand in Tibet und darüber hinaus so stark bleiben wie eh und je. Die derzeitige chinesische Regierung unter Xi Jinping tut alles, was sie kann, um Tibet und seine Kultur zu zerstören. Doch Tibet wird wieder einmal über die Zeit triumphieren und unsere Nation zurückfordern, in die unrechtmäßig eingedrungen wurde, was zum Tod von über 1 Million tibetischer Brüder und Schwestern geführt hat. Wenn wir heute zusammenkommen, um unsere Solidarität und Unterstützung zum Ausdruck zu bringen, werden wir zur Stimme unserer Brüder und Schwestern, die unter dem chinesischen Regime in Tibet leben und der Rede- und Bewegungsfreiheit beraubt sind. Von dieser Plattform aus versichern wir unseren Brüdern und Schwestern in Tibet, dass wir als Tibeter und Freunde Tibets in der ganzen Welt an ihrer Seite stehen und unseren Kampf niemals aufgeben werden, bis die Freiheit in Tibet wiederhergestellt ist. Tibeter und Freunde Tibets, unsere Zeit wird kommen und wir müssen unseren Kampf gegen den grausamen Xi Jinping und sein Regime fortsetzen. Nach dem Gedenken an den 10. März sollten wir uns noch mehr dafür einsetzen, unsere Freunde, Nachbarn und jeden, den wir treffen, auf die Situation in Tibet aufmerksam zu machen. Wir sollten unsere Präsenz in den sozialen Medien verstärken, indem wir die Handlungen von Xi Jinping und seiner Regierung anprangern, die das Leben unzähliger tibetischer Kinder ruinieren, während wir hier sprechen. Wir müssen unsere Position als Bürger unserer jeweiligen Nationen nutzen, um unsere Bedenken gegenüber lokalen und staatlichen Vertretern zu äußern und sie zu aktiver Unterstützung für Tibet zu ermutigen. Lassen Sie mich Ihnen, meine Brüder und Schwestern, Mut machen. Unser Kampf für die Freiheit mag lang und schwierig sein. Aber trotz der Hindernisse, die sich uns in den Weg stellen, werden wir niemals aufgeben. Jeder Schritt nach vorne bringt uns einem freien Tibet näher. Wir bleiben stark, stehen fest und kämpfen für das, was richtig ist. Und geben niemals der Angst oder der Tyrannei nach. Ich werde bis zu meinem letzten Atemzug für Tibet, mein Land, kämpfen. Möge seine Heiligkeit der 14. Dalai Lama ein langes und gesundes Leben haben und möge unsere Wiedervereinigung mit unseren tibetischen Brüdern und Schwestern sehr bald stattfinden. Lasst uns alle gemeinsam für ein Free Tibet eintreten. Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
回家喽！
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 各位来宾、各位朋友，大家好，我来自全能神教会。今天是西藏抗暴纪念日，作为同样受到中共迫害的团体，我们对于藏人朋友所遭遇的苦难感同身受。这也是为什么今天我们来到这里，纪念缅怀那些为自由而献身的藏族人民，也为所有被中共剥夺人权的人们发声。
Dear gestures and dear friends, I'm from the Church of Almighty God. Today is the anniversary of the Tibetan Uprising. As a group that has also suffered persecution at the hands of the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party, we deeply understand the pain and struggle of our Tibetan friends. That's why we are here today, to honor and remember the Tibetans who sacrificed their lives for freedom and to speak up for all those whose human rights have been stripped away by the CCP.
66年前，藏人为捍卫自己的信仰和自由奋起反抗，却遭到中共政府的血腥镇压。几十年来，超过120万藏人在迫害中死去，10几万藏人被迫流亡世界各地。
66 years ago, the Tibetan people stood up to defend their faith and freedom, only to face brutal suppression by the CCP regime. Over the decades, more than 1.2 million Tibetans have died due to persecution, and hundreds of thousands have been forced into exile.
直到今天，苦难仍在继续。寺院被摧毁，僧尼被驱逐出寺院，百万藏族儿童被迫与家人分离，被强制安排在寄宿学校，接受汉化教育。这种对藏人的文化与信仰的灭绝，令人愤恨，令人心痛。
Even today, the suffering continues. Monasteries are destroyed, monks and nuns are expelled, and a million Tibetan children are taken from their families and placed in boarding schools to be forcibly assimilated. This attempt to erase Tibetan culture and faith is both outrageous and heartbreaking.
在中共独裁政权的统治下，藏人、维吾尔人、香港人或异议人士，还有我们基督徒，都完全没有人权自由可言。
Under the rule of the Chinese Communist Party, Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, dissidents, and we Christians are all face the same reality. No basic human rights, no freedom.
我们全能神教会建立30多年来，一直受到中共的残酷镇压迫害，是中国受迫害最严重的家庭教会。教会建立至今，已有近48万人被捕，至少293人在被迫害致死。
For more than 30 years, the Church of Almighty God has endured severe persecution, making it the most targeted house church in China. Even since the establishment of the Church of Almighty God, nearly 480,000 of its members have been arrested, and at least 293 have been tortured to death. In 2024 alone, the CCP arrested nearly 20,000 of our brothers and sisters in China.
2014年10月，中共在吉林省对我们进行了疯狂大抓捕， 1个月内就抓了我们教会600多人，其中2个人在4天内先后离奇死亡。
Just last October, the CCP launched a mass arrest operation against the Church of Almighty God in Jilin Province, China, arresting more than 600 church members in a single month. With 4 days, 2 of them mysteriously died in a custody.
61岁的王玉霞姊妹被抓后6天后死亡，警察说她是突发心脏病死的，但是她的遗体脸部青肿，难以辨认，脖子歪着，像是断了，一条腿也断了，很明显她生前遭受了严重的酷刑。
Wang Yuxia, a 61-year-old sister, died 6 days after her arrest. The police claimed it was a sudden heart attack, but her body was covered in bruises, making her unrecognizable. Her neck broken, and one of her legs fractured, clear signs of brutal torture.
仅仅过了3天，王福华姊妹也在秘密审讯中，秘密审讯9天后离奇死亡。警察又说她死于突发心梗。中共就是这么瞪着眼睛撒谎，但她残杀生命、践踏人权的真相却无法掩盖。
Just 3 days later, Wang Fuhua, another sister of our church, mysteriously died after 9 days of secret interrogations. Once again, the police said it was a sudden heart attack. The CCP's blatant lies can't hide the truth about its killings of religious people and its abuses of human rights.
中共欠下的血债，基督徒不会忘记，藏人不会忘记，维吾尔人、香港人和所有遭受中共迫害的人都不会忘记。
The CCP had blood on its hands. This will not be forgotten by Christians, by Tibetans, by Uyghurs, by Hong Kongers, and by all who have suffered under its tyranny.
在此，我们敦促各国政府能够联合起来，制裁中共独裁政府与相关施暴者，共同维护国际社会的信仰自由与基本人权这一普世价值。
We are here today to call on governments around the world to unite in sanctioning the CCP dictatorship and holding its perpetrator accountable. Let's stand together to defend religious freedom and basic human rights as universal values.
让我们为正义发声，为自由呐喊。
Let's raise our voices for justice. Let's stand up for freedom.
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
尊重生命！
Respect the life!
尊重生命！
Respect the life!
尊重生命！
Respect the life!
尊重生命！
尊重生命。
Respect the life!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Stop the persecution!
停止迫害！
Thank you so much. 아니 DJ랑 아주 다 검조셔야 견미 숑자부터 Release! 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 Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Wake up! Wake up!
You will know!
Wake up! Wake up!
United Nations!
We won!
Yes!
Human rights in Tibet what? We won!
Human rights in Tibet!
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 No human rights!
In Tibet!
No human rights!
In Tibet!
No human rights!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
No freedom of language!
In Tibet!
No freedom of language!
In Tibet!
Let the Tibetan children learn their own language! Let the Tibetan children
Learn their own language!
let the Tibetan children
Learn their own language!
Chinese government Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Stop culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Save Tibet! Save Tibet! Save Tibet!
Save Tibet!
Save Tibet!
Save Tibet!
Save Tibet!
Save Tibet!
What we want dialogue sua. What we want
dialogue!
What we want dialogue. What we want
dialogue!
What we want
dialogue!
What we want
dialogue!
No human rights
In Tibet!
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 Stop killing
In Tibet!
Stop killing
In Tibet!
Stop torturing
In Tibet!
Stop torturing
In Tibet!
Stop torturing
In Tibet!
Stop torturing
In Tibet!
No freedom of religion
In Tibet!
No freedom of religion
In Tibet!
No freedom of religion
In Tibet!
Stop killing
In Tibet!
Stop killing
In Tibet!
Stop killing
In Tibet!
Chinese government shame
Shame!
Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Chinese government
Shame, shame!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Release
Panchen Lama!
Release
Lama!
Release
Lama!
Stop culture genocide
In Tibet!
Stop culture genocide
In Tibet!
Stop culture genocide
In Tibet!
두잖아. 할로. 두잖아. 아니, 다 먼저 도시네 단다 녀도 봐 송야 제나 차도 쭉쭉 따다라 아니 되니 도시네 배 예송도 아니 코란주 냠도라 아니 나란주기 lokda tumba jin ane Quran ju lamde khari yana di shizon jin number ju jigu jin pero nas ane Quran ju ge lagba cha yeba chodila ane ngara ju dos kembe jin pe yes ane left kanda cha yomba chodila ane tam yungre ane Quran ju ge ngara ju mimangi ru chik rudi ane tabu ro jmado yam bombo jin mabe ros dinde songdo ro ane di imba sonza ane number jo thari dela ane one chik kunge zeme thola ane peba dela ane suita Liechtenstein guri mima chame ke sab shune ane ning taba ni tuji chena shue yi ane those Chinese brothers and sisters who participate in this 10 March demonstrations and Tibetan National Uprising Days supporting for this uprising day. Thank you very much and keep it up, and we have same problem and we stand together and fight against the People's Republic of China. Thank you very much. Tujana.
Long live
Om
됐어. 깨쳤어.
What
No human rights. No life. No life. Finish. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Wake up, wake up. No life.
Dalai Lama.
No life.
Dalai Lama.
Release. Release.
Dalai Lama.
Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. We want justice. We want justice. You and more. You and more. What we want. What we want. No human life.
In Tibet.
Human rights. More human rights. Stop killing. Stop killing. Stop killing. High belongs to Tibetans. Wake up, wake up.
UNO.
Liar, liar.
China's liar.
Liar, liar.
China's liar.
Stop killing.
In Tibet.
Stop killing.
In Tibet.
Stop killing.
In Tibet.
Stop killing.
In Tibet.
Liar, liar.
China's liar.
Liar, liar.
Chinese government.
CCP.
Shame, shame.
CCP.
Shame, shame.
CCP.
Shame, shame.
Long life.
Dalai Lama.
Long life.
Dalai Lama.
Long life.
Dalai Lama.
Release, release.
Panchen Lama.
Release, release.
Panchen Lama.
Release, release.
Panchen Lama.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans.
Wake up, wake up.
UNO.
Wake up, wake up.
UNO.
Wake up, wake up.
UNO.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
No human rights
In Tibet.
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 Stop killing
In Tibet.
Stop killing
In Tibet.
Stop killing
In Tibet.
CCP
Shame, shame.
CCP
Shame, shame.
CCP
Shame, shame.
Liar, liar
Chinese government.
Liar, liar
Chinese government.
Liar, liar
Chinese government.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Release, release
Panchen Lama.
Release, release
Panchen Lama.
Release, release
Panchen Lama.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Wake up, wake up
UNO.
Wake up, wake up
UNO.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
No human rights
In Tibet.
No human rights
In Tibet.
No human rights
In Tibet.
Wake up, wake up
UNO.
Wake up, wake up
UNO.
Wake up, wake up
UNO.
Stop killing
In Tibet.
Stop killing
In Tibet.
Stop killing
In Tibet.
CCP
Shame, shame.
CCP
Shame, shame.
CCP
Shame, shame.
Tibet is dying
China's lying.
Tibet is dying
China's lying.
Tibet is dying
China's lying.
Shame, shame
China's shame.
Shame, shame
Chinese government.
Shame, shame
Chinese government.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Long life
Dalai Lama.
Release, release
Panchen Lama.
Release, release
Panchen Lama.
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet.
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet.
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet.
Tibet is never part of China. Part of China. Tibet is never part of China.
Never part of China.
Tibet is never part of China.
Never part of China.
Beijing Taco. Beijing Taco.
Remy!
Beijing Taco.
Remy!
Jamar Pene.
Hajuchi!
Jamar Pene.
Hajuchi!
Jamar Pene.
Hajuchi!
Jamar Pene.
Hajuchi!
Long live. Long live. Long live. Let the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet!
What we want.
We want justice!
What we want.
We want justice.
What we want.
We want justice!
China, China, China.
Out, out, out!
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 Beijing Taco.
Remy!
Jamar Pene.
파교지 베베예 파교지 파교지 파교지
Hello? Hello? Tadi, Tuchena, tanda de zeri musini dogore, ani tuzi da gengi, ani tanda de, DJ da zerim di, rigo chuka gengi, gendi de, ni di ho, ani gebe shabde nangi ho shui, ani tamalo.
长久生就人不是满人般的，也有的是 대화 년바 매바 공내 공도 대화 이소 잠바바 어쩌다 gem바 군도 성호 대야 비시 나다 군대 제소 나라 대화 대다 담제 라도모 두손시베 자와 담제 대화와 하와 저도 와봐 다제 계획 자와 디그냐 성호 제제 라도모 와라 지
问给故说，其实那个做钱难学因，俺理解了，没忙那路当因，怎么路你给钱别俺的当到难学因，没忙那路这呢，龙虾，你了住在马路，俺可以感谢你妈妈。
Stop killing!
Truth.
Long live! Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the religion genocide! Stop the religion genocide! Stop the religion genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! Long live!
Long
Long live! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Long live! Long live! Long live! China, China! China, China! China, China, China! China, China, China!
out,
China, China, China!
out.
Tibet is never part of China! Tibet is never part of China! Tibet is never part of China! Release, release! Release, release!
Pancha Lama!
Release, release!
Pancha Lama!
Release, release!
Pancha Lama!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Vege Tapo! Vege Tapo! Vege Tapo! Number 20!
Sensu Macha! Sensu Macha! Sensu Macha! Я спирочусь.
Stop the religion genocide! Religion
Dieses Jahr ist die 90.
Sehr lange lebt. Zu uns beunruhigt. Die ganze Information mitzureden.
Sehr ab. Die Zukunft, 20 Jahre, wenn die nächste kommt, eine schwierige Zeit.
Stop the persecution! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! We stand with Tibet! 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 停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！ Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! Race is not a crime! 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 We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet! 停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！停止迫害！停止迫害！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！尊重生命！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！停止迫害！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！信仰无罪！ Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! Respect life! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Stop the persecution! Race is not a crime! 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 We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet! We stand with Tibet!
Long live! Long live! Let's the Dalai Lama! 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 Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the religious genocide! Stop the genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! China! 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 Long live! Long live! Long live! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Release, release! Release, release! Release, release! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Peche Dapo! Peche Dapo! Peche Dapo! Jamar Pena! Jamar Pena! Jamar Pena! Jamar Pena! China lies! China lies! China lies! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the human genocide! Stop the religion genocide! Hey, chalo! Hey, chalo! Hey, chalo!
No human rights! No human rights! No human rights! No religion of freedom! No religion of freedom! No freedom of speech! No freedom of speech! No freedom of language! No freedom of language! Release, release! Release, release! Release, release! Tibet belongs to! 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 Stop the culture genocide! Stop the culture genocide! Stop the culture genocide! Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! China lies! China lies! China lies! China lies! United Nations! United Nations!
Wake up, wake up,
United Nations!
wake up, wake up,
United Nations!
wake up, wake up.
Chinese government! Chinese government!
Shame, shame,
Chinese government!
shame, shame,
Chinese government!
shame, shame.
Stop killing! Stop killing!
Tibet,
Stop killing!
Tibet,
Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop torturing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! No human rights! No human rights! No human rights! No human rights! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing!
Tibet,
Hey, Galo! Hey, Galo! Hey, Galo! Hey, Galo! On va te couper de la dépension! On va te couper de la dépension! On va te couper de la dépension! Hey, Galo! Hey, Galo! Hey, Galo! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Stop killing!
Tibet,
Stop killing!
Tibet,
Stop killing!
Tibet,
Stop killing!
Tibet,
No human rights!
Tibet,
No human rights!
Tibet,
No human rights!
Tibet,
No human rights!
Tibet,
Stop torturing!
Tibet,
Stop torturing!
Tibet,
Stop culture genocide!
Tibet,
Stop culture genocide! Stop culture genocide. No freedom of language. No freedom of language. No freedom of language. No freedom of speech. No freedom of speech. No freedom of speech. No human rights. No human rights. No human rights. No human rights. Stop culture genocide! Stop culture genocide! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop torturing!
Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama.
오늘 가서 배나는 배에서 같은 양계로가 간다. 내가 가서 같은 이제 말해. 이 맛을 가서 그 밤에 파마서 같이 좀 당시에 내가 말래 내제 가서 당한테 나와는 말 오늘 가서 그 그런 거래 다. 그게 개각해서 나가 가서 내 게임에 제게 탑다 요래 가서 리슈 딱 가리자 가서 딱 보게 가서 오늘 탑다 하늘에 가서 겨울에 제 도대까지 가서 내 오늘 세지다 대바지 요래 안돼 추세 싸우는 마다 어째 마음발에 가서 내 게임에 카마마지 냠슈 나로 나슈이 아니 다른 게 가서 공들 됐다 내가 타마지 추세 당발에서 잠시 오래 안돼 마세베 다닌데 가서 배낭라 배비 죽고지 멤버체 내 까미도 코랑게 쇼게 까미 마쇼게 다데 세네 오라 콘솔에 되는 도슨 누구 땅 내와 대제 다른 가서 냠더라 오늘 솔직히 양세로지 까미도 게 코랑도 룩말라 직 걸어버려 다 강에 여기 시도 잡네 최대 나와 매와다 되듯이 되듯이 잡네 오늘게 다데 까미디 오늘게 마위 차마 마쇼 라우지 이마데 오늘게 세우세가지 다데 가서 다른 까미 신도 까미 코랑도 못하고 해 까미 미만 코랑도 돼 코랑도 오고 시간 내요 네 오늘게 가서 냠르게 다른 데 고정 가서 겹게 시간 내와 돼 오늘게 가서 아니 갈라고 제수라셔 투지세쇼 thank you so much for coming here for the our friends from Chinese and today we are ending here and thank you so much for all the publics and 방부제 아니 갈라고 다 찍게 당근도 갈라고 찍 다른 이제 무슨 주제인지 아니 저거 두바 인슈에 그렇잖아 상말로라 상말 같은 체스에서 내에서 별미망이 소소스 선수들 아니 근데 그래 남바 상맥이 살아있는 얘기 그렇잖아 그게 아니 뭔가 개미들도 이제 다 있는 그렇잖아 그래서 아니 다들 게다가 누구지 제다가 또 상만하게 술을 잡아 나한테 그렇지 아니 맞아 그들이 찾아 담고 봐도 요래 아니 어디 때에 준비해 이 맞아 그렇지 现在各地退学什么了？
他让我在查收，根本在他查收，学诺，人家不是的，他的根本的不要我来说了，我的学他的，他怎么对中度，将来的怎么查收了？
Nga zong lim ke na lep tu, ye pa me nga la so cho nga so.